The new Sportage can detect pedestrians and cyclists using forward collision avoidance assist and, in an emergency, initiate partial or full braking to a standstill. Let's start from the beginning. How can the new Sportage become a lifesaver in such situations? The front radar reacts very reliably when it comes to metallic objects. For pedestrians and cyclists, the wave signal strength is significantly lower. To increase pedestrian safety, the front view camera in the windscreen is the #1 source of information and detection. While the radar detects that there is an obstacle in the lane reflecting the electromagnetic waves, the camera evaluates the obstacle's silhouette and can thus determine what kind of object lies ahead. Within a speed range of 5 to 80 km per hour, our customers are warned visually and acoustically of a potential collision. If the driver fails to react, an emergency braking maneuver is carried out in the speed range from 5 to 60 km per hour. And if our driver intervenes in the braking maneuver, partial braking is applied. While the braking maneuver takes place, the drivers behind are also warned by a fast flashing braking light pattern. The forward collision avoidance assist for pedestrians and crossing cyclists when crucial centimeters are at stake in an emergency stop.